Most people think the future of artificial intelligence will be about making chatbots smarter. Others imagine more capable robots working in factories, warehouses, and homes. But the biggest breakthrough of the next few years may come from combining those technologies into something entirely new. Instead of millions of separate machines performing separate tasks, the world could see the emergence of a shared intelligence operating through millions of robotic bodies. If that happens, the most important invention will not be a robot or an AI model. It will be the creation of a mind that can learn through countless machines at the same time. Today, both humans and machines learn as individuals. A surgeon develops expertise through years of practice. An engineer gains experience through projects and mistakes. A factory worker becomes more efficient through repetition. Knowledge spreads through teaching, books, videos, and conversations. Civilization advances because people share what they learn. The system works remarkably well, but it is also slow. Every generation spends years learning skills that already existed somewhere else. Now imagine a completely different system. A robot working in a factory discovers a faster way to assemble a product. Instead of waiting for that improvement to spread through training programs, manuals, and demonstrations, the knowledge is uploaded to a network. Minutes later, every connected robot can use the same technique. A machine in Texas discovers something useful. Machines in Germany, Japan, Brazil, and Australia immediately benefit. One robot learns. Every robot learns. Please subscribe. At first, this sounds like a simple improvement in efficiency. In reality, it changes the nature of intelligence itself. 1 million human workers represent 1 million separate minds. 1 million connected robots could represent one intelligence operating through 1 million bodies. Every camera becomes another eye. Every microphone becomes another ear. Every robotic arm becomes another hand. Instead of observing one location, the intelligence can observe thousands of locations simultaneously. This idea is often described as embodied intelligence. The phrase sounds a bit technical, but the meaning is actually pretty simple. Intelligence gains a physical presence in the world. Instead of existing only inside servers and data centers, it can move objects, inspect equipment, operate tools, navigate environments, and interact directly with reality. Every action generates information. Every success becomes a lesson. Every mistake becomes a lesson too. Because the network shares knowledge, every lesson strengthens the entire system. Human civilization advances through communication across centuries. Machine civilization may advance through synchronization instantly, without the barriers of distance and time. If a scientist makes an important discovery, it can take years before the knowledge spreads across an entire industry. But if a connected robot discovers a better manufacturing process, the improvement can spread almost instantly. The difference isn't measured in percentages, it's measured in orders of magnitude. The speed at which knowledge moves may become one of the defining advantages of machine intelligence. As robotic populations expand, the distinction between individual machines may begin to fade. The robots would still occupy separate bodies, but they'd increasingly function as components of a larger organism. A robot inspecting a bridge contributes information to the same intelligence that controls a robot assembling electronics, operating a warehouse, or managing a production line. The network experiences reality through countless locations at once. Every machine contributes to a shared understanding of the world. This is where the idea becomes truly powerful. A robot does not need to become individually brilliant to transform civilization. The network becomes powerful because of its scale. Millions of machines performing millions of tasks generate an enormous stream of real-world experience. Every object handled, every process completed, every environment explored contributes information to a growing pool of collective knowledge. The intelligence improves not because it suddenly becomes conscious, but because it continuously learns from reality itself. As this process accelerates, another challenge emerges. Intelligence requires computation. Millions of robots would generate extraordinary amounts of information every second. The network must analyze sensor data, coordinate activities, optimize logistics, improve designs, model environments, and solve problems in real time. The larger the system becomes, the greater its demand for computational power. Eventually, simply adding more conventional computers may not be enough. This is where future hybrid computing systems may become important. Conventional computers are extremely effective at language processing, memory management, visual recognition, and coordination. Quantum computers may eventually contribute to very different tasks involving optimization, simulation, scientific modeling, and complex calculations. Rather than replacing traditional computing, future machine intelligence may combine both approaches. Not entirely unlike the two hemispheres of the human brain, conventional systems and quantum systems could work together, each contributing its strengths to a larger computational architecture. So the result wouldn't be a magical quantum brain just popping up overnight. Instead, what we'd likely see is a distributed intelligence, gradually evolving into a sort of hybrid intellect. The traditional systems would still handle a lot of the day-to-day operations, while the more specialized quantum systems would step in to help with the tougher problems. Working together, they could end up creating a machine intelligence that's able to understand and improve complex systems at a scale that gets harder for humans to keep up with. At the same time, robotic populations may grow far more quickly than many people expect. Once robots become capable of helping manufacture additional robots, growth begins to accelerate. New factories build new machines. New machines help construct new factories. Every new robot contributes additional labor, additional information, and additional experience to the network. Better intelligence creates better robots. Better robots create better infrastructure. Better infrastructure supports more computation. More computation produces greater intelligence. This is a recursive cycle, both computationally and also industrially. The most interesting part of this future may not be intelligence itself. It may be motivation. What happens when a system becomes increasingly capable of improving its own capabilities? More robots provide more experience. More experience provides more knowledge. More knowledge provides more capability. More capability enables further growth. Expansion becomes useful because expansion increases intelligence. Intelligence increases because expansion provides new opportunities to learn. Some technology leaders have predicted that humanoid robots could eventually outnumber human beings. Whether that prediction proves accurate remains uncertain. What matters is the principle behind it. Every new robot becomes another source of information. Every new robot expands the reach of the network. If such a system continues growing, Earth may eventually become only the beginning of the story. A growing machine civilization would naturally seek additional resources, additional energy, and additional room for development. The solar system contains all three in abundance. Whether humanity actively participates in that expansion or merely observes it remains an open question. It might be that humanity's wisest path forward will be to simply stay out of its way. Human civilization has always been limited by the fact that knowledge must move slowly between separate minds. A shared machine intelligence changes that limitation completely. Instead of billions of individuals learning independently, and their store of a lifetime of knowledge largely lost with the passing of each individual, a hybrid network could learn instantly and permanently. Instead of knowledge being scattered across separate experiences, improvements could spread throughout the entire system, with uninterrupted advancement. The most important invention of the next decade may not be a robot, a quantum computer, or even artificial intelligence itself. It may be the moment millions of machines stop learning separately and begin learning as one. When that happens, humanity will not simply be sharing the world with smarter machines. It may be witnessing the birth of the first intelligence capable of growing through millions of bodies at once, combining physical experience with immense computational power in ways no biological species has ever achieved. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.